I am doing a hypothetical sailing trip around Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and the Dominican Republic. And this is a great itinerary. If you fly into Charlotte Emily on St. Thomas, you get to spend some time uh, anchored here at Brewers Bay Beach with U.S. Virgin Island, the University of USVI, and there are, I don't know how many ports these are, 8, 10. Let's see. Then you can go to Megan's Bay. Then you can go to Cruise Bay. Some nice restaurants and shopping here. Then you can go to Red Hook. There's some nightlife and lots of services and shopping. This is close. This is a nice little secret harbor beach. And this is supposed to be good, the Sunset Grill. And then you can go to, depending which way you want to go, either Culebra or Christiansted. I guess we'll go this way, Christiansted. This is a nice place to anchor. There's a lot of restaurants around here that are really good. Frederiksted is, I think, the second biggest city in St. Croix. And there's not many people more here, but the beaches are pretty good here. They don't get the algae. I'm not sure why this isn't popular with charter boats, but cruise ships come out here, and then there's a lot of shopping and restaurants here. It's probably a growing area. And then you could head to Salinas, which is a nice marina, a nice little city. I haven't really been there, but it looks very nice. And then here's another one that looks nice. Puerto Real. And there's all sorts of Supermercado, Home Depot. So let's see, we've gone to St. Thomas, St. John, St. Croix, and Puerto Rico. And then this is a great little spot, La Romana. This is new. Most of the all-inclusives are here, but this one is new and it's fancy. And it it doesn't get the algae on the beach. And it's not far from Santo Domingo. Santo Domingo. Airport here. And you could probably anchor your boat and check in, but it's, I don't know, $350 a night or something. But it's probably great cuisine. So that's the Dominican Republic. Then you can go, if you go to, I mean, if you had a charter boat that picked up in St. Thomas and dropped off in La Romana, that would be really cool. But if you're heading back to Charlotte Amalie, you probably want to go north, maybe stop in San Juan. And if you have folks flying in from the U.S., then this is a good pickup spot. And so that's it. Then you would make your way back. Oh, well, no, Culebra. This is really nice. I think this is, people keep their boats here during the hurricanes, like Hurricane Hole. I haven't been here, but it sure looks nice. And a great place to keep your boat from rocking too much. And then back to Charlotte Amalie. And there's great restaurants and shopping. And so that's it for the, I mean, if you had a motor yacht of 36 to 46 or a mono hull from like 39 to 48, and you did a bareboat charter for 2 weeks, that would be pretty cool. I think some of these places charge you a really small fee for anchoring, and there's paperwork's probably complicated, but that would be a really interesting and scenic sailboat cruise. So FYI, if anybody has interest in planning for something like this, or taking a charter to some of these places for a week or two in the summer, get in touch with me, because I'm going to maybe plan this out for maybe 2 years out.